Winry, are you done with my automail yet?
Yes, Ed, go. I'm finished. I need to get back to work on my other things.
Okay.
And don't break it again.
I won't.
You need to come back sometimes for things other than service calls.
Yeah. Winry, your door's broken.
My door's not broken. What have you done?
I didn't do anything.
Why did you shut it anyway?
It was light and there was insects.
Insects. Ed, you've probably just locked me inside my own garage. I don't have the keys.
I can just transmute it.
No! Don't transmute my garage door! God knows you'll probably end up filling with skulls on it. I don't want it transmute. Oh. God, you've really done it this time. Honestly. It's probably just as well you've got Al to follow you around everywhere.